Professional character is the discipline to have the hard conversation before it becomes an expensive one. I once worked for a supervisor who told me flat out that she never gave anyone below a 3 on our 5 point evaluation scale. 5 meant excellent, 1 meant needs help. She stayed in the safe middle every time, not because that's where people actually scored, but because she didn't want the headache of an improvement plan, the paperwork, or the conversation where an employee pushed back and asked her to justify the number. So she avoided it, probably for years. I think about her often now because I have watched other leaders make the same quiet trade. A manager who didn't want to make it awkward, so she let the performance issue sit for 4 months. By the time she finally said anything, the employee had already checked out, left within the year, and the office culture suffered significantly. Now, Gallup puts the cost of replacing someone who leaves voluntarily at 50 to 200% of their salary. That's a lot of money, y'all. That 20-minute conversation my old supervisor kept avoiding was never free. Every inflated score was a small loan against a much larger bill that eventually came due. It came due in turnover, in disengagement, and in the slow erosion of a team that stopped trusting the numbers on their own review. Again, professional character is not softness. It is the discipline to have the hard conversation before it becomes an expensive one. What's the conversation you've been avoiding, and what is it actually costing you?